Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope yesterday you have watched the video and enjoyed the story and you have learned the lesson also. Only hard work pays, not magic. Okay. So, on the basis of this, I hope you will follow this teaching and always pay attention on this for future life. So, today I am going to tell you the book exercises answers and I will send you pics also of book and notebook work. Okay. So question 1 A1, read the story and choose the correct answer to complete the following. Beta, next month or after, I think in January, maybe December in January, you have periodic 2 also. So these 2 lessons will come into the future and this in the bottle of dew to chapter 9, 7 and 9. So start learning also and complete your notebooks and show to me. And this type of MCQs will come in your exams. Okay, multiple choice questions are there. You have to choose correct answer. So first we know that Ramanatha had a rich father. So correct answer is C, as he left him a large area of land. Second, Ramanatha did not work because he was looking for the magic potion. He was looking for magic potion, not doing any work. Third, his wife was worried about Ramanatha because he spent, correct answer is B, he spent all his time and money looking for the potion. Fourth, the sage told Ramanatha that potion could be made only if the dew was collected by Ramanatha himself. Dew should be collected by Ramanatha, not by any other. Condition was this. Fifth, how many years did Ramanatha take to collect 5 liters of dew? 6. Okay. He said 6 years of my precious life. Okay, now this was on page 63. Now we will discuss of page 64. Question answers. I will send you pics. You can discuss. Also, why did Ramanatha go to meet the sage? As he came to know that sage knows how to make potion. Was this meeting useful to him? Yes. From sage only he got the idea कि he will turn the dew into magic potion. Third, I will send you the answers in detail. This is just oral discussion. Okay. The main ideas. Properly answer framed, I will send you. Okay. This is rough idea. While Ramanatha was collecting the dew, what did his wife do? While he was collecting the dew, what was his wife was doing? She was collecting the fruits from the tree and went to the market to sell the bananas. Fourth, the sage asked Ramanatha to bring him 5 liters of dew. What did Ramanatha decided to do so that he could collect this within the short period of time? What was Ramanatha's idea? He thought that dew, the winter season is of only 2-3 months and to collect dew of 5 liters is a tough work. So he planted banana trees more and more. After cutting the crop, he again planted the banana trees so that he would collect dew very fast in a short time. So again and again he planted banana trees to collect the dew very fast. Question number 5. This is cheating. Why did Ramanatha say this? Because when after 6 years, when dew was of 5 liters, he went to the sage with that bottle having dew in it. So after chanting the mantras, the sage said, now your potion is ready. To try his luck, Ramanatha sprinkled that dew on the copper vessel of the sage. But it was not turned into gold. It was the same. So he In the condition of shocked, he shouted to the sage, this is cheating. This is not a magic potion, only a water. So question number 6. There was no magic potion. Yet Ramanatha made a lot of money. What was the real magic? Okay, understood? From the potion, there was not a potion. And potion was not there. So he didn't get the gold. But he get the money in form of gold coins. How did he got that lot of money? He got that lot of money with the help of his wife. She took out all the bananas from the tree and sold in the market. And by selling the bananas in the market, he got lot of money in the form of gold coin. She made piles and piles of gold coins and therefore they became rich. So by the hard work and intelligent work of his wife, he got money. So magic potion was not there, but due to hard work of his wife, he got the money. Now, question number A3. There are sentences 1 to 8. They are not arranged properly in the sequence of the story. So, I am going to read the sentences in sequence. No, wrong sentence I am not going to read. I am reading the sentences when they are arranged properly. So, one number will go to plant banana trees. Second, water the plants regularly yourself. Third, collect the dew that settles on the leaf. Fourth, the dew should weigh 5 liters. Fifth, take the dew to the sage. Sixth, the sage will chant a mantra. Then seventh, the dew will change into a magic potion. And last, a drop of this magic potion will change anything into gold. This was the proper sequence. So wrongly arranged sequence ko you have to proper arrange. Okay. We will give numbers in the book only. No need to write this question in the book. Okay. So now come to page number 65. Here the exercise is on some words which we can use both as noun and verb. So the blanks where the word, suppose the word dress. So sentence need the dress in the form of noun. So you have to use the noun form of dress and verb form will come in the second half of the sentence. So you have to read the sentence properly and try to understand here verb will come or noun will come. According to that you can choose the word and fill in the blanks. Okay. For example, Hemant's father left him a large tract of land. So here left is the sentence is used. Sometimes we use left as noun. Sometimes we use left as verb. So you have to understood the meaning of the sentence word. Okay. Now we are going to solve the book exercises. So in bracket the words are given. Now you have to choose key noun will come here or verb will come. So sentence first. The little girl can dress by herself. Her mother bought her many pretty dresses. Second, he has just bagged his car. Here bagged, he is doing backward. So here bagged is verb. His car into the parking space. He wears a belt because his back is hurting. So here second sentence back is noun. So you have to first understand the meaning of the sentence and according to that you have to use that word as noun or verb. Okay. The bomb went off in the middle of the market hurting many people. So bomb is here used as noun. The enemy had been bombing the place. So here bombing is used as verb. The girl burnt her hand. Okay? So that is verb. The burn mark. So that is used as noun. Sheba called me. So called me is used as verb. Her call woke me. That is used as noun. The man paid his workers. So either paid means you are doing verb, action word. Pilot's pay is quite high. So here pay is used as noun. ठीक है. So question number B2. Okay, 7th sentence. The thief broke the window and entered the house. So here broke is verb. There was a commercial break in between the episodes. So here break is used as noun. Now B2, here in dark block, these words are given in jumble. You have to arrange properly the jumble word to make it verb. Okay. So first word is I have arranged. It will make as mistake. Second, drink. Third, race. You can also try on your own. Okay. Look. Fifth is heat. Now turn your page. Sixth per it will become last. Seventh per park. Eighth will be blame. Ninth will become calm. This is like a quiz. Sentences are given. You have to understand the meaning of that sentence. Then you have to arrange the words according to the sentence. Answer is given in jumbled form. And last is change. Okay. Now again, grammar may in this chapter, in grammar, they have told you about whose, which, that, who. 4 words they have given to make you understand the use of these 4 words. They are called as relative pronoun, which tell the relation between noun and pronoun. So they are called as relative pronoun. So question number C1 on page 61 is match the column. That I will send you pic. You can do matching. Match the column is like small kids. So you can arrange. Now C2 is also paragraph by using who, this 4 word who, which, whose, that. Okay. Who means kiska. Who is used for person. कौन. Who is coming. कौन आ रहा है. Which is big. यहाँ पर आप which is you can use for things. That has मतलब उसका, वो चीज़ जो दूर है. So we use that. So by using this word you have to complete the paragraph. I will send you pic. And on the basis of these 4 words, C3 question is to complete the sentence. Half sentences they have given. Half you have to frame by using these 4 words. So you can try and frame your own sentences. I am sending you pic. But this is your homework. You can frame your own sentences. Okay. And try to frame your own sentences so that your vocabulary and grammar improve. Then this will help you in sentences framing. Okay. Now page 68, there is a table. You have to match the sentences by using these 3 words who, whose, which. That you can do yourself as practice. And nothing is important in this lesson. Till 67 we have discussed orally. And I will send you pics. Try to solve the answers on your own. I will send you pics. By seeing the pics, you can complete your notebook, book exercises, and start learning also. Okay? Till then, have a nice day. Bye.